This video will show students how to respond to a discussion board question in Google Classroom. To get started, let's head on over to Google Classroom. Here we are in a Google Classroom class where the student has a discussion board post to do. You can tell this is a discussion board post because in the top left corner of the post it has the purple question mark, and then below the prompt it has a spot for students to type their answer. In this particular post, you're asked a question and then asked to watch a YouTube video prior to answering your question. It's important to keep in mind that there are a few guidelines when it comes to responding to discussion board questions in Virtual Summer School. Each original post you create must be at least 200 words long. At the end of your post, in parentheses, be sure to type the number of words your post is. Your post must also directly reference the text. In this case, the text is a video. The text could also be a piece of writing or an image depending upon the class and the activity. In addition to writing an original discussion board post, for each week's post, students are required to respond to at least 2 classmates' posts, adding new insight to the discussion. So let's take a look at how to respond to this post. Students can type their answer by clicking Type Your Answer here and begin typing. However, it's recommended that students first type their responses in a Google document and then copy and paste them into the discussion board prompt. So let's pull in a Google document that we already have open. And what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and type in our discussion board response. Now that we've typed in our response, we need to take a look at how many words are in this post that we typed. To do that, we'll click Tools, and then Word Count, and we'll see that this post is 206 words long. So we'll hit Close, and then at the end of the post, we'll put in parentheses 206, and then we're going to copy the entire text of the post, and head on back to Google Classroom and paste that text and hit Submit. Once we hit Submit, we'll see the option at the bottom to see classmates' answers. So I'm going to go ahead and hit See Classmates' Answers, and then I'll see that Nicholas has already answered this question. To reply to Nicholas, I'll hit the Reply button at the bottom of his post, and then I can type out my response. A response will need to be at least 100 words long, reference the original text and the post you're responding to, and add something new to the discussion. When you're finished with your response, you can hit the blue Post button. This has been a brief demonstration showing students how to answer a discussion board question in Google Classroom.